Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up discount on Shopify step by step. So this is useful if you want customers to enter their email and then receive a discount code that they can use during checkout. So to get started, log into your Shopify admin and from the left side menu, click discounts, and then you'll need a discount code that we can connect to the pop-up later. And I'm not going to show you how to create the discount in this video, so just make sure that you already have one ready. And once that is done, we can move on to the next step. Now, I want you to go to Shopify App Store and search for Shopify Forms. Once you find it, click install and follow the steps to add it to your Shopify store. After installing the app, open Shopify Forms and click Create Form in the top right corner. And from the options, choose Pop-up Form. Give the form a name, then click Create. Now, you can start setting up how the pop-up will look inside the form editor. You can customize the form and teaser. And if you do not want to use the teaser, select it and remove it so the only main form appears. Next, scroll through the form settings and change the title and content. And as you make changes, you can check the preview on the right side to see how the pop-up will look on your store. After that, choose which field customers need to fill out. You can remove fields you do not need and keep the email field if you only want customers to enter their email address. Next, scroll down to the success section, click select discount, then choose the discount code you created earlier. So this means that after someone submits the form, the discount code will appear on the success message so that they can copy it and use it during checkout. And once that is set up, you can adjust the styling of the pop-up if needed. And when everything looks good, click save in the top right corner, then click turn on form to activate it. If this is your first time using Shopify Form, there is one more setting you need to check. Go back to Shopify and click Online Store, then Themes, and then click Edit Theme. And inside the theme editor, click App Embeds. Find Forms, make sure the toggle is turned on, and then click Save. And finally, go back to Shopify Forms app and make sure your pop-up form is turned on. And once everything is enabled, customers can enter their name and email, receive the discount code, copy it, and use it during checkout. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.